Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Thing. So this is our new project, Integrated Ultra Fast Circuit Breaker. Basically, it is an electronics based circuit breaker. Compared to the mechanical circuit breaker, it is way faster than the mechanical circuit breaker. So let's see the hardware components of the project. So in this project, we are using a 230 volt AC power supply. So this is a step down transformer. So this is a current transformer. So this is a bridge rectifier circuitry. So this is a voltage regulatory circuitry. This is a comparator IC. So this is a triple fiber IC. So triple fiber IC is controlling the relay circuitry. So this is a relay is controlling the load. So in the load side we are using a 100 watt bulb. So this is a 200 watt bulb. So like this system we are using the load. So let's see the working of the project. So first of all we will remove the 200 watt load. So let's turn on the power supply. So as you can see here, right now the project has been turned on. So it is a right now we have set the load of the 100 watt. So suppose whenever we excite the 100 more than 100 watt, in that condition automatically the load will be tripped. Okay, so as you can see here, so whenever we are inserting the load, automatically the load is tripping. Okay, so as you can see here, so right now I'm inserting the 200 watt bulb. So as you can see here, so before glowing the bulb, automatically in that condition automatically the load will be shut down. Okay, so as you can see here, so like this system the project working is there. So if you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.